Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change company name on Made in China B2B. So first we're going to go to our browser, then search for Made in China. Then click on the first link that pops up. Then here we're going to go to our account section on the top right corner. You guys should sign up for this process. Then click on my account. Here we're going to click on company info. Then as always, we're going to scroll downwards and click on edit. Then on the company name, you guys can write your company name. So once you're done, you're going to scroll downwards and click on save. So this is how you do it. It's so easy. Make sure to check our other videos on our how-to tutorial playlists. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.